एक बार फिर आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। ब्रेक से पहले अभी हम सभी ने मिलकर डॉक्टर न्यूटन के साथ मेडिटेशन किया, जो कि एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। डॉक्टर न्यूटन,
That's wonderful to hear, and all of you have done excellent meditation. Let us know about what we have experienced when we closed our eyes, when we journeyed within. There are several experiences that we get. Let me share about these 7 common types of experiences that we get. The first one is,
कौन बताना
I
चाहेगा?
will tell you first.
Yes.
One thing is we see colors. The moment we close our eyes, there are colors that are coming. The colors which are like blue, red, yellow, purple, different colors and with a geometrical shapes and patterns. How many felt this kind of
Colours.
experience? Colors. That's wonderful. I'd like you to please share about.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Whenever we close our eyes, it's like sometimes like orange color, sometimes
Right.
it's red, sometimes it's yellow. There is any scientific meaning of these colors?
Yes, actually in meditation, you are closing your eyes, but still you are able to see these colors from where you are seeing these colors. So there is something called our inner eye, third eye, which becomes active during meditation. We'll be able to perceive colors, perceive geometrical shapes and patterns, something like objects moving. These are all very common experiences. Let me congratulate you.
Very
Let us
nice.
give a great clap to you. Thank you. Let me share about the second type of experience that we get in meditation. Our body becomes very, very heavy, as if tons of weight, many kilograms of weight is added to our body. How many felt your body becoming heavy? Please raise your hands. Okay, you felt your body becoming heavy. Can you please share about your experience, how you felt?
मुझे कम्प्लीटली बॉडी में नहीं, बट हाँ मेरा माइंड बहुत हैवी,
Heavy.
यहाँ पे बहुत स्ट्रेस लग रहा था.
That's true. Actually, there is a scientific explanation for it. Why we feel heaviness in the body. The moment we are going within, our mind is becoming silent and still. We absorb a lot of cosmic energy. Urja, it flows into our body. And generally, first part of the body that becomes heavy is our head. Then, even the rest of the parts of the body also may become heavy. You feel why this heaviness is coming. If you know the reason, this is only cosmic energy. Later, after you open your eyes, after some time, it will just vanish. Are you finding this now?
Yeah, now I feel better.
Better. It
Sab
goes
kuch-
away after some
So
time.
does it have any effect on the 5 senses also?
It will have a lot of effect on the 5 senses. Our 5 senses become very sharp during meditation. And congratulations to you. And the third type of experience that we get is body becoming very, very light. As if you are like a balloon, like a feather floating and hovering above. How many felt body becoming very light?
Yes.
Okay.
Dr.
please.
Newton, just the previous one, if I may share with you, you might explain half my body was like rooted to the earth,
Okay.
very heavy, but a part of my upper area, head was like soaring. So is this something unusual? What
It
is-
also is an experience that we get in meditation. First, initially, we feel very much heavy, and after some time, our body becomes very light. Once we absorb a lot of cosmic energy, then we move to the next stage of our meditation where our body becomes very, very light, as if we are not here, soaring high. We are not really feeling our body. We may lose even our body awareness. So that's a good experience. Congratulations. And next, fourth type of experience is you feel terrible pains in the body. You might be even scolding me. Why this fellow is telling me to observe the breath? I am getting so many pains in the body. How many felt pains in the body? Oh, did you scold me? No, okay. I will explain about this. Please share about what happened in your meditation. One of you who felt the body feeling pain?
This happens always whenever I try meditation, my lower back and the back area.
Okay.
There are certain blocks, I feel, in certain areas I feel pain.
Yeah. Let me tell about what is happening when you are getting pain in meditation. Wherever there are blockages in the flow of energy, there are pathways of energy in the body. So there are certain blockages there. This cosmic energy tries to push these blocks away. At that point of time, we get terrible pains. We should not open our eyes during that time. Whatever pains that are coming in our body, they will be cleared within no time in meditation. We need to go on observing the pain also. Go on continuing the meditation.
And any
So-
special posture
The
we should
special
sit in?
posture is if you have really discomfort in the back, you have back pain, you can lie down and do meditation. There is no really rigid rules about meditation. Whatever is comfortable posture for you, that is the best posture. But sitting posture is ideal because the moment you lie down, you go into a deep sleep. Congratulations. And after opening your eyes, did the pain vanish or pain stayed back?
It did not vanish completely.
Right.
It stayed for some
Okay.
time.
Generally, the moment you open your eyes, the pain will not be there. Only during meditation it will be there. Please continue
So I
meditation.
think she needs practice.
Practice.
Right.
So this is the fourth type of experience.
Thank
Let
you.
me share about the fifth type of experience. We get lot of visions, as if some television opened within, and you will start seeing nature, waterfalls, seashore, beautiful mountains. How many seen visions? Oh, that's great, that's great. So please, can you share about
I could see rainbows.
rainbows?
Yeah.
Right. Like in the sky, rainbows.
Yeah, vivid colors and
Right.
rainbows in the sky.
So in the meditation, we get clear visions. With such a clarity, it is very, very energizing, because once you connect with that nature visions, it gives you tranquility, peace, and lot of energy. Congratulations to you. And the sixth type of experience is called out of body experience, astral travel. You are not here, you are somewhere else. You projected yourself, or you are feeling yourself in a different location. How many felt you are not here in the body, you are somewhere else, like flying or in a nature place or something like that? Please raise your
We
hands.
just have one.
Oh, very
yeah,
good,
who
please.
experienced this, yeah.
What did you experience?
I had the strangest experience today, which happened for the first time. I have been trying to meditate for a long time. I just opened a gate and descended some stairs,
Right.
which is very strange for me, and I would like you to help me understand that kind of experience.
First, let me congratulate
Yes.
you. This is really good experience. And this is called out of body experience. This is the Sthula Sharir, the physical body. And in meditation, our Sukshma Sharir, which is there inside, it gets loosened up. It gains a momentum. Lot of cosmic energy gives the impetus, the force to the astral body to come out. Then we come out of the body, we get many astral experiences. This is one of the Sukshma Sharir ka anubhav.
Okay.
Thank you.
वेरी नाइस डॉक्टर न्यूटन, डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, अभी तो ये क्योंकि एटमॉस्फेयर हमें एक मिला था, तो हम अपने मन को समझा पाए कि हमें शांत बैठना है और अपने अंदर झांकना है। लेकिन आजकल की भागदौड़ की ज़िंदगी में जब किसी के पास 2 मिनट का भी वक्त नहीं है, तो वो मेडिटेशन के लिए वक्त कैसे निकाले, कैसे अपने आप को समझाए कि ये हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है, ये मैं आपसे जानूंगी। लेकिन अभी हमें लेना है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक के बाद विल बी राइट बैक। आप कहीं मत जाइएगा। हमें ये जानना है कि मेडिटेशन हमारे लिए कितना ज़रूरी है और आज की भागदौड़ की ज़िंदगी में हम मेडिटेशन को अपनी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा कैसे बना सकते हैं। विल बी राइट बैक।